Hello, my name is Alex, and welcome to the SmartSale's point of sale video tutorial series. In this video, we'll be learning how to receive items. To begin, navigate to panel 3 and click on the Receive Items button. The main screen will turn green, indicating that you are now in receive mode. At the top of the screen, you'll see an arrow. Clicking this will display a list of companies or individuals previously entered into the system. Let's go ahead and select a company. In this section, you can enter the PO or invoice number, as well as the invoice date. To add the item you want to receive, you can either scan the item or use item lookup. In this example, let's select water. The receiving options screen will now appear. Here, you can set the quantity, price, batch number, and expiry date for the items you're receiving. Once you've finished entering the item details, it will appear on the transaction screen. To complete the process, click on the green Receive Items button at the top, then click Yes to confirm. To exit receiving mode, you need to click on the Receive Items button again. The screen will return to normal. And that's it for receiving items. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email or call us. Thank you for watching.